I'm going to take a stroll here down Los Pocillos shops, bars, restaurants. Closest hotels to these are Los Jameos, the Hotel Floresta and La Feria. Let's see, we'll have a walk down here, see how busy it is, how quiet it is. If there's any music, I might need to mute the audio, YouTube copyright, but we'll see how it goes. Doesn't look too busy, really. A few people walking about. Really good location, this strip of shops and bars right next to the ocean. I'll be doing a tour of all these shops and bars, try and get some prices as well. It's only going to be a short video because it's not far to the end of this. Bit of music playing there, hope the microphone doesn't pick it up. Give you some idea of how many people here at the minute. I said it's about 7:30 at night, it's still about 25 Celsius. There's some places which are closed. I think they've been closed since COVID, because I've been coming here for the past year, haven't seen them open. Not overly busy, so if you like a quieter place, this could be the place for you. There's a plane coming into land. Let me see if I can grab that. Not far from the end now. I think Paddy's Paradise looks the busiest. There's quite a lot of people at restaurants, Ojorio as well. Italica is closed. And that's about as far as we're going. So check out my other videos on this area. Hope you enjoyed it. So can you please like and subscribe? Thanks for watching. Cheers.